How to modify the master PIN code. The default master PIN code is 123456778. Change the default master PIN code to prevent unauthorized access. The master PIN code can be 6 to 12 digits. Touch the screen to light up the keypad to start. Press the number sign, then enter the master PIN code and confirm by pressing the number sign. Press 1 to modify the master PIN code. Enter the new master PIN code and confirm by pressing the number sign. Re-enter the new master PIN code and confirm by pressing the number sign. You will hear the prompt, "Succeeded" for successful change. Press the star sign several times until you exit master mode. To test the new master PIN code, while the door is in an open position, press and hold the sensor to lock the door lock and then touch the screen to light up the keypad. Enter the new master PIN code and confirm by pressing the number sign.